See, I'm not even going to lie. It has been 2 years of a roller coaster of emotion for all Liverpool supporters worldwide. From club's departure to the death of Jota, and now Salah is leaving at the end of the season. Was I expecting it? Yes. Did this still come as a surprise? Yes. Yeah, I know that we've been expecting him to, at least leave, move on, but it still came as a surprise to me. I wasn't prepared. I wasn't prepared for this. At least not now. Not now that I'm still trying to put myself together over the death of Jota. Now, one of my most important player is leaving at the end of this season. I wish him well, but then he has achieved a lot. You cannot talk about football in my generation. You cannot talk about soccer in my generation without mentioning Salah. The guy has broken a lot of records, and I'm glad that even rival fans are attesting to it. Salah is a living legend. I was not this experienced in life. Well, the last time I watched Gerrard, but I think Salah has surpassed that Gerrard legendary achievements. To me, what other record hasn't he broken? He has literally crashed all records. Salah is a legend, and in as much as it hurts me to say goodbye, but he needs to move on. He needs to move on. He has done a lot for the club. He single-handedly gave us the Premier League last season. Yes, I can still say it. He gave us the Premier League last season. Whatever that happens at the end of this season doesn't justify the fact that he is a legend. It doesn't justify the fact that you cannot talk about Liverpool without mentioning Salah. You cannot talk about football in my generation without mentioning Salah. Salah is the man. Salah is he who thinks he is, and I wish him well in the party he will choose. I don't know. And in all this thing, I still blame slots. I don't know why I still blame slots. I know that Salah, a time will come where Salah will say farewell to us, but I still blame slots. Had it been it was club, I know club would have found way to still give him maybe extra 2 years again. I still blame, at least let him. Anyways, whatever that happens, I have already said, whatever that happens at the end of the season, it still doesn't measure up to what he has achieved in the club. I wish him well, and I pray Slot should better find a better replacement. Like, we need a better replacement for Salah. We need a better replacement for Salah. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I have stopped watching ever since the death of Jota. I have been uninterested about football. It's just recently that I started paying small attention to it again, and now we need a better replacement. If not, I think I might as well say farewell to football. Anything that involves football, I might as well say farewell to it. Salah, we love you, and you will never walk alone.